We are here in Clovis, California, I believe, and we're taking a look at actually we just installed a new, this is a replacement water heater from A.O. Smith. The other one went out. We didn't do the diagnostic on it, but A.O. Smith sent a new water heater under warranty, and we installed it. So there's your model number, ATO510U200, serial number 1825110888047. Anyway, so that's, you know, they know you have it because they sent it to you, but you definitely want to get this registered with them. I'm not sure what the balance of the warranty would be on this, since they, I think you're 7 years into the other one, but I think it's 10 to 12 years on heat exchanger, 6 years parts. Not real clear on what they have. Anyways, this is the unit they sent. We got it installed. One addition we made. Okay, and then on the front you can see 199,000 BTUs, so that's good. I think this one flows about 10 gallons a minute. So one addition, they requested flush kit on here, flush valves. So we got to these guys. You know, be gentle with this stuff while you're using it. You know, just, it's a simple quarter turn off and on, but if you start cranking on this, this is a union right here. So if you start yanking on this thing too hard back and forth, you're going to start spinning this, and you'll start getting leaking out of here because it's just a rubber gasket. So just be gentle with these. Brand new kit, hot and cold, pressure, relief valve, no temperature, just pressure. Down to, it says its code is 6 to 24 inches above ground. We have CPVC pipe, so that's code, just hanging there. Something goes on, too much pressure builds up in here, then this guy will pop off and relieve that pressure. Falcon stainless steel connectors, you can see from the brass valves. We have a brass nipple and Falcon stainless steel connectors. These are 3/4 inside diameter, largest in the industry, also the most expensive. And so that's tied on the hot side, cold side as well, back over there. This is your existing valve, not ours, but we did replace the nipple in front. You can see that's brass now. Gas line, we just reconfigured a little bit and just put it back together. So that's your shutoff valve, your connector, everything's tied in. New remote control upstairs in the laundry room, and so we fired this thing up. It works great. Just monitor it, you know, just start using it, see how you like it, see if anything's going on with it. And but it was pretty straightforward, you know. A.O. Smith now is partnering with Takagi for their tankless water heaters. So same company now, you know, A.O. Smith providing the Takagi product, the tankless water heater product. So everything else here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.